Okay, hello guys, so you can see it now. No, my legs, guys. Okay, there. You see it now, I'm gonna eat it. And I'm gonna show you what I think about it. Okay, this is quite a big salad, lots of stuff, and I will show you, okay. Kind of like that. Right there. I've got cucumber and lettuce. Got different things in this. Got lots of things in it, and it's really nice, I think. You can like kind of see what things you've got on it, kind of. You can see, yeah. Got like the peppers in it as well. It's kind of nice. So what I say, guys, there is a lot of things in it. It's really healthy. I could eat the Subway for the whole day. I could. But because it's so nice, you can get healthy options. It's quite nice actually. Now we've got a tomato. This is the UK version, guys. I don't live in Los Angeles, guys. Los Angeles is a long way. Los Angeles. What I have to say about it, it's really tasty. It's got that crunch into it, hasn't it? Guys, comment below if I should do what I eat for day is 24 hours. I could up there. Not actually 24 hours. Just a day. I love it so much, guys. Let me get some. Let me get some chicken and ham. Right. And I get this. It's got salad. It's got ham. The salad is all good. You've got barbecue. You've got ham, maybe cheese. No, not cheese. Lettuce, ham, and onions, peppers, sweet corn. They're just really healthy. So just put in the comments if I should do 24 hours of eating this. Guys, if this gets 20 likes or 30 likes, then we do. If it doesn't get 30 likes, if it doesn't get 30 likes, then we don't do it at all. Okay? Yeah, we won't do another one of these if you don't get 30 likes. Another 20, if you want to do a day of it, 24 hours eating this, you've got to make it reach 30 to 60 likes. If it doesn't, then we won't do it. And that's how we do it. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is about 10 out of 10. It's a gold star. 10 out of 10. Guys, if you want me to say, you want to see me do in a 24 hour eating Subway, you're gonna have to make it have 30 likes to 60 likes. And then, I'm not gonna do it for 1 like, guys. Guys, I won't do it for 1 like, because it's not fair on me. 30 to 60 likes. If you can reach that, then I will do it. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so every time I upload, just see it, and then hit the subscribe button. Please comment if you want me to do it. And comment what type of things you want me to get. And I will put that into the note. If it doesn't, not just comments, you need to let it reach 30 subscribers No. Incorrect. I've got more subscribers. I need to make it reach 30 likes. If it doesn't, I'm not going to do one. I'm going to do separate videos. Just separate, but I won't do it much. So guys, please reach your 30 likes, or there's no video of 24 hours eating a Subway. Because I know you can get healthy choices. I'll eat the healthy choices. Guys, you're gonna have to support me to get this. If you really want it, please get it 30 likes. If you don't, then don't like it then. Just don't click the like button. See you soon for the next video.